Yo. Starting off with earn by time. Current rate is, there's peak pay actually. So current rate is $18 an hour for the next, basically just this one order. So not really worth mentioning. I'll get maybe an extra 50 cents out of this. But we got a McDonald's going 4.5 miles.
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
There you go.
Thank you. Okay, I thought finding that place was going to be a lot more difficult. I mean, I did just get lucky, but I thought it was going to take a lot longer. So I might be able to squeeze in one more order before peak pay runs out. Oh, in total for that one was $8 and change. Okay, it took too long to get the next order, so no more peak pay. It's been about half an hour since the last order was completed, so pretty slow so far. But we finally got something. This is a McDonald's going 4 miles. Thank you. Of course. Total for that order was $7. It has been very, very slow so far, but we finally got the next order. This is a Taco Bell going 5 miles.
Hey, are you checking in with your app to earn rewards points?
And that's a no tip. Total for that was $5 and change. We are not doing so hot. Next up is a Carl's Jr. This one is going 7 miles. Oh boy. Total for that order was just under $10. This is a Burgerville, $7 going 4 miles. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Next order up, got a Chick-fil-A. This one is going 8 miles. Just had to turn down a $14 3-mile order because I'm on this stupid Chick-fil-A. Total for that order was $11. Not gonna lie, I might call it early today, like earlier than usual, because I'm just not getting orders. The little DoorDash estimated time between orders was 19 to 29 because I'm gold rated, whatever that means. And then it showed me what unrated dashers are looking at. It said 52 to 62 minutes between orders. I've never seen that so high. But anyways, I'm just gonna keep driving around for another 20 minutes, and if nothing comes in, I'm gonna start heading home. I was this close to starting to drive home, but they gave me this order. Got a shop and deliver for Safeway, $7 going 3 miles, only one item. Just got the next order lined up right after this. It is Sherry's. This one is $7 going 3 miles. That didn't change the plan too much. I'm still gonna start heading home. Current time is 8:47. Current total is 53 and waiting on, I think, those last 2 Uber tips, which should bring it up to like 70. I don't know, today was surprisingly bad. Anyways, this is most likely a shorter video, so enjoy some more kitty clips. What? Smooth. Anyways, time to go home. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.